Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find your tax documents on Venmo. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your tax documents just because you need to prepare your taxes. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. In order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up Venmo. Then once you have Venmo opened up, on the bottom right hand corner you want to click on the Me icon, and then next from here on the upper right hand corner you want to click on the gear icon, and then from here you want to scroll down to where it says Reporting and then Tax Documents. Click on Tax Documents. So with tax documents you could actually go ahead and filter it by year, and then you'll find your tax documents that way. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your tax documents on Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.